Dear students, welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, educationist and motivator. Today I am going to take your article writing and especially the topic containing advantages. As I have disclosed that there are 4 types of articles containing advantages, containing disadvantages, containing advantages and disadvantages both, and general articles. And in this class I am taking your article containing advantages. Let's know the points for writing this article. First of all, there will be the introduction. Second, there will be advantages. Third, there will be duties of government. Fourth, there will be duties of social workers. Fifth, there will be self duties. Next, self view, and last one, that is conclusion. And we all have to take one topic, that is go green. Go green means grow more and more trees. It means value of trees. Let's plant trees, plants. Regarding introduction, we have to say trees are having great value, great importance in our life. Our entire life depends on trees. Second point, that is advantages. In advantages, we have to bring all the advantages serially. As we get fruits from trees, these fruits are rich source of vitamins and are tasty in eating. Next point, that is flowers. We get flowers from plants and trees, and these flowers are used for decoration. These flowers also add beauty to the nature. Next one, that is oxygen. We can't live without oxygen, and plants and trees are the rich source of oxygen. Therefore, we may say we are no more without trees. Next one, timber. We get timber from trees, and this timber is used to make wooden articles, very beautiful furniture, and different types of articles of daily use. Next one, rubber. We get rubber from trees, and this rubber is used to make different articles of daily use. For example, tires are also made of rubber. Next one, paper. We get paper from trees. We can't imagine education without books, and these books are made of paper, which one is got from trees. As we live our life, sometimes there are a number of diseases which are encircling us, and we get medicines from trees. For example, we get quinine from the tree cinchona. Like this, Ayurveda is based on plants and trees, on vegetation. Trees also cause rainfall, monsoon, and this rain is fruitful for our agriculture. There is greenery all around due to trees, and this greenery adds beauty to our nature. Trees are the shelter of birds and animals. Trees also control soil erosion. Therefore, we may say that there is a great value of trees and plants in our life. Regarding duties of the government must organize plantation programs, one mahotsavs, and the trees also are to be protected from woodcutters. There are also duties of social workers. A number of social workers, social organizations must come forward to organize plantation programs and to protect the trees from the cruel hands of woodcutters. Self duties are also to be monitored and minded by us. We all, the persons, must be lover of plants and trees. We must also protect these plants and trees for their survival. Now, self view. According to me, there is a great value of trees in our life. Trees are green gold. We are no more without trees. As conclusion, therefore, it's our joint responsibility to plant many plants every year and to protect these plants and trees to add vegetation, greenery, beauty to this earth. Thank you very much.